afternoon and good evening. Today is another beautiful day, guys. What am I going to prepare? I don't really know, but it's called super crispy butter roll buns. Okay, so you join me to produce this. These are my ingredients I'm going to use. It's without no yeast. I have my empty pan here. I have my butter. I have my egg white, 2 egg whites. I have 200 grams of water, 200 ml of water. I have my yogurt here, 180 grams of yogurt. I have my milk, 400 ml of milk. I have 1 kilo of flour. I have 2 egg whites with some 2 tablespoons of oil. In this area I have my butter with oil, okay, sunflower oil. In this area I have my baking powder and 10 grams of baking powder. I have my teaspoon of salt here. I have my lemon juice here. Okay, so guys, join me to produce this super crispy butter roll buns. So we're going to mix every wet ingredients inside this bowl. Okay, so you join me. I will be showing you step by step. Okay, I will mix my water, my milk, my yogurt, baking powder, salt, lemon inside this bowl now. Okay, the butter and the oil will be used separately, and the egg yolk with oil will be used separately. Okay, bowl I have added my egg white, my baking powder, my salt, my yogurt, my milk, my water. What again? I have added everything I needed to add. I show you in the So guys, I have mixed it very well. But this quantity of flour, you may need more while you are kneading it. Okay, so you follow my measurement, but you're gonna add more flour as you can as you're kneading it and you're not sure of the texture. Okay, it's gonna be like this. Okay, so this is it. I will cover it for 10 minutes. Guys, it's about 10 minutes right now. I will sprinkle the flour on the surface. Okay, so I will roll it out and cut it pieces, maybe about 30 pieces. I think it will be easy for me. I have to measure it. Let me bring my measurement. So guys, I have bring it out and sprinkle some flour on the surface. I'm going to measure about let me see, maybe 60 grams each, and I will roll them in a bowl. Okay, so I will get to show you how I did it. Okay, so guys, I will cut it small piece and measure it by 60 grams. I don't want it to be too big. So this is exactly how I do my own. Okay, this is snacks. I'm preparing it for my kids. So I'll try to show you guys. It's my first time of doing this anyway. I haven't done this before, but there is always a first time. Okay, if I can do it, you can do it. Okay, just keep on trying. Everything is, there is nothing like I can't try. It's cooking is hard, but it's easy when you love what you're doing. It's very easy when you love what you're doing. I want my own to be small piece, so this one I'm cutting by 60. I'm going to join it times 4 is what she said, times 4, which is 240 grams per one. This is how I want to do my own. So guys, when you're rolling it, you do it like this. Okay, you roll it like this. This is 60 grams. 60 grams. So you roll it. Don't press it hard. Just roll it like this and leave it in a flour surface. Okay. This my pan has flour, so I will drop them like this. Maybe it's not enough. Maybe I have to add more. Okay. Continue rolling it like that. Okay. Roll it till it forms a circle. Okay, guys. So guys, as you can see, I have already started. I didn't even remember to on my video. Okay, so this is it. I have floured the surface and I have start rolling it out. This is how I put it in 60 grams. It depends on how you want the size but I want my own to be small size. Okay, so I'll cover it and be taking it one after the other. Each one will contain 4 rolls. Okay, so I'm going to flatten it very well, so it will be this. Can you imagine? I cannot even lift it. You see it. So later I will stretch it. I will show you to you guys when I'm doing it. Okay, so I have finished rolling them. These are them here, but for me to use for me to put it in the oven and flat it later before I put it in the oven, I need the parchment paper. Okay, so I will cut it in 4. I have folded it into 4. Okay, so I will cut it into 4 pieces. So guys, I have been rolling it off camera for a long time. So this is how I fold it into 4. I will open it. So if I open it and I will spread it on top of the surface, sometimes it's hard to open, but I have to try my best to open it because this is a very difficult snack. When you see it on showcase, it's very sweet. So I have opened it now. So I will spread it. It's very soft. I will spread it. This is the mixture of the butter and oil. Okay. So I will drop 1 spoon or about 1.5 spoon. So I will use my hand to spread it. Okay. So I will add 3 layers. I won't add 4 layers like every other one. So this my own will be 3 layers so that it can be easy for me to fold. So I will top this on top of this. So you see that? I will do the same thing. I will sprinkle the oil. Okay, so use my hand to spread it out. Okay, so we'll go for the 3rd one. Oh my god. So this 3rd one is like it's difficult for me now. So as you can see, it's very difficult for me. So I'll open it another way. It's more it's not coming the way I want. So I will spread it immediately and open it from the. Oh my god, it needs to be open anyhow. Okay, so you see that? If you see it in the video, it will be easy, but it's very hard job. So you now hold you now drag it out. As you can see what I'm doing, I drag it out and I will roll it. I will roll it out and do like this to it. It depends on how you want to do your own. I will twist my own like this. I will twist it and start folding it. This is my first time of trying this. I will show you the outcome. So I have finished twisting it like this. I turn it, and this is the tail. I will hide it under. Okay, now I will use my hand and press it down. I will get the parchment paper to lay it on top. This is the one I divided into 4. This is one part here, and I will put it on top because I don't want to bake it now. Maybe I'll bake it in the morning. So this is how it is after I have finished rolling it and adding oil. So guys, I will do the same. I did it to all of it the same. So guys, once again, thank you very much for passing by my channel. Okay, I wish you enjoyed the video. Please share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment below on the comment section. Don't forget to also turn off the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get to be notified. Okay, so this is it. So because it's light, it's very hard for me to open it, but it's with patience. You can leave it down, then you spread it. Okay, this is it. I need to open this part. It's not a must anyway, but I think it's okay like that. So once again, I will show you how I twist it. It's nothing special. I just twist it like this. Twist it like this and put it down and start tucking it in. Okay, so this is how it goes until the finish line. So you see, this is the outcome again. So I'll put my mixture inside inside the freezer because I'm not ready to bake it now. You can really store it in the freezer. Anytime you want to bake it, you bring it out to dissolve. Then you butter it with egg yolk and a little 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, and you put it in the oven to bake for 30 minutes. So this is how I'm supposed to put it in the oven, but I'm not going to put it now. I'm going to leave it in the freezer for tomorrow. I'm going to bring it out to bake it.
Wow, I'll just bring it out of the oven, you see, but it didn't give me a very nice result because maybe it's because of how I folded it, but it's still nice. I will try to fold it more lighter, but it's very beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for passing by my channel. God bless you all and remain blessed. Bye.